Assalamu alaikum, grade 4 students. How are you all? Mashallah, you are looking so fresh today. Okay, can you please remind me that nowadays, what is the chapter of our science class? Yes, force and motion. Good. So you enjoying this chapter? Good. Okay, students. So today we have day 8 of this chapter, and yesterday we have learned and discussed questions and answers of this chapter. And let's discuss that what kind of activity we have today. So today is our day 8. Okay, so I'm going to open your Butterfly grade 4 science book, and on page number 87 we have today's activity, and today's activity is think about this. Wow, today we have thinking activity. So what kind of thinking we have to do today? What new did you learn in this chapter, Force and Motion? Write 5 to 10 sentences to explain. Okay, so हमने इस चैप्टर में नया क्या लर्न किया है, हमें 5 से 10 जुमलों में उसको एक्सप्लेन करना है. What new did you learn in this chapter? Write 5 to 10 sentences to explain. Okay, students, so I am going to help you. I am giving you few sentences and you have to add on few more. Okay, so what new did we learn in this chapter? We learned that learning about magnet, its poles and magnetic field was quite new to know in this chapter. Learning about magnet, its poles and magnetic field was quite new to know in this chapter. There were other new things also to learn about, like the power of gravity force, effects and power of friction, and the special shape that the racing cars fast, trains and aeroplanes are designed in. This shape or design is called aerodynamic. This aerodynamic design help these racing cars, fast trains and aeroplanes to reduce friction of the wind. तो हमने इस चैप्टर में मैग्नेट के बारे में पढ़ा, मैग्नेट के बारे में सीखा, इसके नॉर्थ एंड साउथ पोल्स के बारे में सीखा. हमने ये सीखा कि ग्रेविटी जो है वो भी एक बहुत बड़ी ताकत है, इसीलिए ज़मीन को एक सबसे बड़ा मैग्नेट भी कहा जाता है. हमने एरोडायनामिक के बारे में लर्न किया कि कैसे ये स्पेशल शेप जो है वो विंड की फ्रिक्शन को कम करती है. ठीक है जी. सो आवर नेक्स्ट थिंकिंग इज़ अबाउट व्हाट विल हैपन इफ़ देयर इज़ नो फ्रिक्शन इन योर बाइसिकल ब्रेक्स. क्या होगा अगर आपकी बाइसिकल की ब्रेक्स के अंदर फ्रिक्शन ना हो? What will happen if there is no friction in your bicycle brakes? Okay, let's think what will happen. The bicycle will keep on moving and it will not never stop unless it hits something that comes in its way. After getting hit by that object, the bicycle will fall to a lower point under the force of gravity. अगर बाइसिकल की ब्रेक्स में फ्रिक्शन ना हो तो क्या होगा? बाइसिकल चलती ही जाएगी उस वक्त तक जब तक वो किसी चीज़ के साथ हिट नहीं करेगी, और उसके बाद वो गिर जाएगी वहाँ पर जहाँ पर ग्रेविटी का लोअर पॉइंट होगा. सो आई एम गोइंग टू रिपीट दिस थिंकिंग अगेन. द बाइसिकल विल कीप on moving and it will never stop unless it hits something that comes in its way. After getting hit by that object, the bicycle will fall to a lower point under the force of gravity. Okay students, so we have two different thinkings in this chapter, and the chapter is force and motion. Now the time is for your home assignment. I am going to tell you about your today's home assignment. So what you have to do today? Okay, you have to write at least 5 to 10 sentences in your copies that what new did you learn in this chapter, force and motion. This is your homework task. You can even type this answer in computer, or you have to send this file to your teachers. And if you are using your homework copy, then you have to write 5 to 10 sentences in your copies. You have to take a picture and you have to send this picture to your teachers. Okay students, inshallah tomorrow we will meet again with another interesting activity. Allah Hafiz.